So, Bob, where did we go a week ago?
World Bird Sanctuary.
The World Bird Sanctuary.
And we saw a lot of birds, and we talked to some ladies there.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it took a long time to get out.
Yeah, what did you think about the drive?
It was a long time.
Just a far drive.
Yeah, far drive.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it.
You think you'd go back again?
Maybe we will sometime.
Which bird was your favorite that you got to see there?
The eagle.
The eagle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
Did we get to see a live bird release too?
Yeah, library. Yeah.
So overall, what would you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I think I did good, like a 10.
Like a 10?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Anything else about the World Bird Sanctuary?
No, just said hi a lot when we went inside. Yeah, but we walked around in that
Gift shop?
gift shop. But, yeah, the
Okay. Well, thank you, Bob.
Okay, thank you.